Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to set Opera as default PDF viewer on your Windows 10 PC. For this, first select any PDF file on your Windows PC, then right click on it and select this one open with, and then click on this one choose another app option. In the drop down menu, select Opera and then check this one option. Always use this app to open .pdf files and then click on this one OK button. Now, whenever you will double click on any PDF file on your Windows 10 PC, it will automatically open in your Opera browser. Like this, you can set your Opera browser as default PDF viewer on your Windows 10 PC.